Hello everyone, welcome to all in your English lecture. Student, in today's lecture we will continue the same topic which we have discussed in a last lecture. The name of the topic is parts of speech. So let us see the remaining parts of speech in English. The next parts of speech is adverb. Adverb means a word which gives more information about verb. That's called adverb. म्हणजेच काय क्रियापदाबद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगणाऱ्या शब्दाला आपण काय म्हणतो ॲडवर्ब. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लाईक ही टॉक सॉफ्टली विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स. हिअर इन दिस सेंटेन्स द वर्ड सॉफ्टली इट इंडिकेट ॲडवर्ब. द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज ही ड्रेसेस स्मार्टली. हिअर smartly is indicate adverb. Basically, adverbs ends with a ly. Some of we use very, and also some of the adverbs we join ly. So this is the definition and example of adverb. So look at the types of adverb. The first type of adverb is adverb of frequency. It means it indicates how often the action is performed. म्हणजे ॲक्शन कशी परफॉर्म होते, हाऊ ऑफन द ॲक्शन इज परफॉर्म. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रिक्वेन्सी. So in this type we use adverbs like always, sometimes, often, usually, frequently, rarely, hardly, hardly ever, never, generally. So these are the adverbs which we have used in a adverbs of frequency. Look at the example of adverb of frequency. She normally eats 3 meals a day. Here, in this sentence, normally indicate adverb of frequency. Next one is I usually buy all my vegetable at the market. Here, usually it indicate adverb of frequency. So the next type of uh, adverb is adverb of manner. It means it show the manner in which the action is done. कशा पद्धतीने ॲक्शन डन होते, हाऊ और व्हॉट कशा पद्धतीने डन होते, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो ॲडवर्ब ऑफ मॅनर. लुक ॲट द ॲडवर्ब्स विच वी हॅव यूज इन अ ॲडवर्ब ऑफ मॅनर. cheerfully, efficiently, painfully, carefully, slowly, badly, easily, well, quickly. So these are the adverbs which we have used in a adverb of manner. Look at the example related about this type. The children were playing happily with their toys. So here in this sentence we get the answer how the children were playing. म्हणजे कशा पद्धतीने ते खेळतात. Here the happily it indicate adverb of manner. The police dealt with incident very efficiently. Here the word efficiently indicates adverb of manner. Next type of adverb is adverb of time. Here this type when the action is performed it indicating. ॲक्शन केव्हा परफॉर्म होते किंवा टाइम इंडिकेट करणारं जे असतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो ॲडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. म्हणजे घटना केव्हा घडते व्हेन हे ॲन्सरचं आपल्याला ह्याचं आपल्याला काय मिळतं ॲन्सर मिळतं. Here basically adverbs used in a adverb of time like now, yesterday, soon, later, at, tomorrow, already, tonight, today, then, last month or year, etc. So these are the adverbs which we have used in a adverb of time. Look at the examples related about this type. She had already gone when we got there. Here already indicate time. Then next one is I am going to hang out with my friends tomorrow. Here tomorrow indicate time when the action is performed. केव्हा ॲक्शन घडते त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो ॲडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. So next type of adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place Here it indicate where the action is performed. घटना कोठे घडते याला काय म्हणतो आपण, किंवा जी क्रिया कुठे घडते त्याला आपण म्हणतो ॲडव्हर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. द ॲडव्हर्ब यूज इन दिस टाईप आर लाईक ऑफ, अबोव, अब्रॉड, फॉर, फार, ऑन, अवे, बॅक, हिअर, आउट, आउटसाइड, behind, in, down, downstairs. So these are the adverbs which we have used in an adverb of place. The sentence or example related about this type: his children go everywhere with him. Here, everywhere indicate the place. So, everywhere it is an example of adverb of place. Then let's open the box and see what inside it. Here the word inside also indicate the place. So this is an example of adverb of place. Next one is adverb of degree. त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो adverb of quantity. Here adverb of degree means it indicate how much or in the degree. म्हणजे हाऊ मच किती आहे ते त्यामध्ये सांगणे म्हणजेच आपण काय म्हणतो ॲडव्हर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. हाऊ मच या आन्सरचं आपल्याला क्वेश्चनचं आपल्याला आन्सर मिळतं त्याला आपण म्हणतो ॲडव्हर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. द ॲडव्हर्ब यूज इन दिस टाईप आर लाईक क्वाईट, टू, entirely, very, extremely, rather, almost, absolutely, just, barely, deeply. So these are the adverbs which we use in the type of adverb of degree or quantity. Here, the example related about this type is I am not absolutely certain I posted it. Here, absolutely, it indicate adverb of degree. He was quite agreeable to accepting the plan. Here, quite, it is related about adverb of degree. Okay, so the next type of adverb is adverb of evaluation. Adverb of evaluation means to express the attitude of the writer. म्हणजे रायटरचं जे ॲटिट्यूड आहे तो एक्सप्रेस करणे म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण ॲडवर्ब ऑफ इव्हॅल्युएशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल्स विच ॲडवर्ब्स वी यूज इन दिस टाईप लाईक ॲपरंटली, clearly, fairly, frankly, fortunately, honestly, hopefully, carelessly. So these are the adverbs which we use in an adverb of evaluation. Here, look at the example related about this type is David is clearly unhappy to be here. Here, clearly it indicate adverb of evaluation. It means attitude of a David. Davidचा attitude is आपल्याला दिसतोय. Then next one is frankly, I think the internet is overrated. Here in this example word frankly it indicate adverb of evaluation. The last type of adverb is conjunctive adverb. The conjunctive adverb which we used to connect the two clauses in the sentence. म्हणजेच दोन वाक्यातले जे क्लॉज आहेत ते क्लॉज जोडण्यासाठी आपण कंजंक्टिव्ह ॲडवर्ब वापरतो. द which adverbs we use in this conjunctive adverbs like accordingly, beside, equally, further, hence, namely, next, now, additionally. These are the adverbs which we have used in a conjunctive adverb. Look at the example related about this type. I don't want to go. Beside, I am too tired. Here, here are the two clauses. I don't want to go and am I am too tired. Here, these two clauses join with beside, so that is called conjunctive adverb. Furthermore, they had not consulted with her. Here, furthermore, it is an example of conjunctive adverb. So this is the parts of speech. So the next parts of speech is preposition. A preposition is a word or a group of a word used before a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. प्रिपोजिशन हा एक आहे की एका नाउन किंवा प्रोनाउन किंवा नाउन फ्रेजच्या आधी वापरला जाणारा एक ग्रुप ऑफ अ वर्ड आहे टू शो द डायरेक्शन टाइम प्लेस लोकेशन स्पॅटियल रिलेशनशिप्स ऑर टू इंट्रोड्यूस अन ऑब्जेक्ट मग ह्यामध्ये डायरेक्शन टाइम प्लेस लोकेशन हे इंडिकेट करण्यासाठी आपण प्रिपोजिशन वापरत असतो सम ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल्स in English related to the preposition are like in, at, on, off, to. So these are the examples of prepositions. Look at the chart. Prepositions related about the time. Which preposition we use indicating time? Time indicate करण्यासाठी आपण कोणतं preposition वापरतो? In. The first preposition we use indicate the time in. When we use in to indicating the session of a day like a morning, afternoon, evening, also indicating like a month or season in the June, in May, in summer, and also indicating like a particular year in 2008, and also century in the 21st century, in the 20th century. So in is used to indicate the time. We also use at to indicate the time, but when we use the at to indicate time like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock असे जे आपण टाइम इंडिकेट करण्यासाठी आपण काय वापरतो ॲट सम ऑफ वी यूज लाईक ॲट नून ॲट आफ्टरनून सॉरी ॲट नून ॲट मिड डे ॲट मिड नाईट ओके सम ऑफ द एखादं ठिकाण दाखवायचं असेल किंवा रामधन किंवा द विकेंड आपण जे टाईमच्या रिलेटेड असणारे जे वस्तू आहेत किंवा ज्या घटना आहेत त्या इंडिकेट करण्यासाठी आपण ॲडसुद्धा वापरू शकतो also on it use for indicating time on Friday on Saturday on 18th June on Saturday morning on a day of a business on vacation so in at or in at and on this preposition used for indicating time next one is place which preposition we use for indicating place here we use in out at behind under on through up down inside outside between next to opposite so these adverbs we use to indicate the place and next one is movement so which prepositions which we have used to indicating movement from to on by so these are the preposition we use for indicate movement एखादी हालचाल दर्शवण्यासाठी आपण अशा पद्धतीचे प्रिपोजिशन्स वापरू शकतो so the next parts of speech is conjunction conjunction is a word that is used to connect the word phrase and clauses in the sentence एखाद्या सेंटेन्स मधले वर्ड्स एखादी फ्रेज दोन फ्रेजेस असतील किंवा दोन क्लॉजेस असतील हे जॉईंट करण्यासाठी जे वापरलं जाणारं शब्द असतो त्याला आपण कंजंक्शन म्हणतो देर आर मेनी कंजंक्शन in the English language but some commons we use like and but or because for if so these are like when this conjunction we commonly use in a sentence there are three basic types of conjunctions. The first one is coordinating conjunction, second one is subordinating conjunction, and third one is correlative conjunction. Here, look at the chart. Coordinating conjunction. Which conjunction we used for indicating coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, nor, for, so, it. So these conjunctions we use for कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन कोऑर्डिनेशन ठेवण्यासाठी आपण जे कंजंक्शन वापरतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन Which conjunction we use for subordinate conjunction like after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. So these are the subordinating conjunctions which we use in a indicating subordinating conjunctions. देन co-relative conjunction रिलेशन दाखवण्यासाठी आपण जे कंजंक्शन वापरतो फॉर एक्झाम्पल लाईक बोथ अँड आयदर ऑर नायदर नॉर नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो so as whether or so these conjunction we use indicating correlative conjunction. So here the last parts of speech is interjection. Interjection means it expresses the emotions of joy. एखादं अचानक येणारे जे आपले इमोशन्स असतात किंवा हॅपीनेस असतो, सॉरो असतो, एक्साइटमेंट असते, वंडर सरप्राईज असतं, एखादं पेनफुल असतं, सॅडनेस, हॅपीनेस, सो ऑन. सो ऑल these काइंड्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन वी यूज्ड in English that is called interjection. For example, like oh, wow, hurray, alas, ouch, oops, aha, yahoo, ew. So these are the interjection in a English. So these are the examples related about interjection. So student, in today's lecture, we completed our parts of speech, our 8 parts of speech in English. So you have to try to write may, as many as examples related about these पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. प्रत्येक पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे जास्तीत जास्त एक्झाम्पल्स तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये नोट डाऊन करायचे आहेत. सो थँक्यू. वी स्टॉप आवर टुडेज लेक्चर.